Something that sets our firm apart is our desire to make sure our clients are getting really high-end representation when they're with our firm. We prioritize keeping our attorney caseloads down to an extremely reasonable level so the attorneys have the time and energy to invest in your case, and so they can be attentive and communicative with you throughout the case. It's really important that you don't have an attorney who's overworked and overstressed and handling too many cases, so that we can actually explore the paths that we need to get you to that successful outcome it is you're looking for. I started Desert Legal Group because I wanted to change the perception that people have about attorneys. I'm well aware of this idea that attorneys are not good people. And I really wanted to start a firm where we embrace the fact that that's not true. I wanted to employ attorneys that care about their clients, attorneys that want the best outcome for their clients, that are willing to go fight for their clients in the courtroom. And that's really what we've done. We've found attorneys that are not scared of the courtroom, that are willing to put in the extra effort to get our clients to that desired outcome that it is they're looking for. Being comfortable in the courtroom is extremely important to the outcome of your case. We have attorneys who are very comfortable in the courtroom. We consider it our second home, and this is how it can help your case. We recently had a client who was the lower income producing person in the relationship. Her spouse was making most of the money for the couple. When we came on, she was extremely worried about how she was going to pay her attorney's fees, how she was going to help support the kids during the case before she got to the end of the case and got what she was entitled to from the divorce. We were able to come on, execute the necessary steps to make sure she got what she was entitled to make sure her spouse paid the attorney's fees during the case so that we could appropriately litigate the case, and to make sure she got every penny she was entitled to. For potential clients, I think it's a different feel when you're walking into Desert Legal Group. We want you to feel like you're getting a really good use out of your consultation and like you're getting a really good use of your time. But at the same time, we don't want you to feel like there's any obligation for you to move forward with our firm. We do free consultations because we want you to be able to feel it out. We want you to see if you're comfortable with our law firm, and we want you to see if we're the right fit for you. If you're nervous about scheduling a consultation with a law firm, don't be. We're going to make that as easy of a situation as possible for you, and we're going to make you feel comfortable throughout every step of the process. If you have any questions about Desert Legal Group or anything you'd like to talk with us about further, I'd encourage you to schedule a consultation with us so we can discuss your situation.